Dear trader, if you enjoy the thrill of making money quickly and easily on the 1 minute and 5 minute time frames, I'd love to share with you the brand new software I've been using lately to make huge daily profits in very little time. Actually, it's rooted in the smart engineering of my hugely successful indicator that you've most likely already heard of or even using right now. I'm talking about the legendary Fibo Quantum. Its fantastic performance, my own results, and an unbelievable amount of highly positive feedback inspired me and my team to create Fibo Quantum Scalper. It's based on scientific and, more importantly, natural laws that powered Fibo Quantum, which pinpoints winning trades on the 15-minute to daily time frames. If you're not familiar with Fibo Quantum Indicator, the internet is bursting with rave reviews of its performance. You can learn more about it online. Fibo Quantum Indicator is excellent, most definitely. But trading on the higher time frames is not for everyone. And that's understandable. Not everyone has the patience to wait for profits to come. They want to see it happening in front of their eyes, now. They want to experience the thrill of fast profits in literally a matter of minutes, in real time. And if this describes you, if you're someone who thrives on the fast movement of the markets, and you want to get in and out of trades within mere minutes, Fibo Quantum Scalper is perfect for you. If you've experienced the raw money-making power of Fibo Quantum Indicator, you will absolutely love this brand new Fibo Quantum Scalper. You see, in order to make money faster, we have developed powerful scalping algorithms that make picking off profits on the 1 minute and 5 minute time frames extremely easy. Brain dead easy. Yeah, big claim like you've probably seen elsewhere, I know. But unlike the competition, I can prove to you how beginner friendly this scalper is. I want you to pay attention here now. It's important because I want you to understand that this is as easy as child's play. First, Fibo Quantum Scalper will draw its special levels on the chart. Then, once the price hits the entry level, you open the trade, set the stop loss and the take profit levels. And finally, the price hits the take profit and you get your cold hard cash. Then boom, you get a new set of levels. Price reaches the entry level and you simply set up the next trade. Now tell me, does that look hard to you? It's a simple process. A kid who plays video games would master this in no time. It's point, click, profit. That's it. Simply rinse, repeat, and profit at any time of the day as your heart desires. Have a look at how much profit you could be making with Fibo Quantum Scalper. US dollar Swiss franc, 35, 12, and 15 pips. US dollar Japanese yen, 16, 21, and 36 pips profit. And here is Euro Australian dollar, 37, 16, and 22 pips. Here are some bigger wins on British pound Japanese yen, 68, 28, and 79 pips profit. See, when scalping in Fibonacci style, you should aim for smaller trades, but do your best to make as many wins as possible in the shortest time. Now, Fibo Quantum Scalper will give you the power to do so. The power you need to have at your fingertips to cream off money with no more than a few mouse clicks. What do you think? Are you ready to feel it? Would you like to be able to make this much money in very little time? Fibo Quantum Scalper can help you achieve that. Our goal is to help new traders and veterans to make super accurate, short-term, reliable trades that rack up sizable profit over time. With Fibo Quantum Scalper, you will always know with a lot of confidence when exactly to open and close quick trades to make the biggest possible profit from almost every price movement. Listen, if you are excited as I am about making money in the fastest way possible, I'm going to show you how to do that and how you can snag quick and easy profits whenever you want. This is about to boost your scalping game. Fibo Quantum Scalper will show you when to enter your trades and where to set your take profit and stop loss levels. You will be executing trades exactly as the indicator tells you to and watching the price as it reaches take profit levels one after the other. The more experienced you become with this tool, the better decisions you will make and the more profits you will keep making. It's so simple and easy to use that once you become familiar with it, you will soon have the winning statistics of the best scalpers in the market. You will enter the markets picking off 10, 15, 20 pips with sniper-like precision in mere minutes. If you trade an account with, let's say, $1,000, you could easily make $10, $15, $20, or even more in just minutes. If you do that multiple times per day, you can make anywhere between $20 to $100. Over time, with compounding, you can make $100 to $300 per day using this accurate scalping software. The algorithms that make Fibo Quantum Scalper so accurate and profitable have been developed over years of painstaking research and analysis, and are heavily based on our own huge success with its predecessor, the legendary Fibo Quantum. We equipped Fibo Quantum Scalper with our own trading secrets and fine-tuned the special algorithms used by the big banks and investment houses to multiply their profit in the markets. This was only used by the big players until now. But I want to give you, the individual trader, more control over your trading and help you generate big profit on the smaller time frames that was previously available only to a chosen few. Once you employ this tool, you will realize the stability and reliability it brings to your daily trading. Plus, you will see how powerful it is in helping you to profit. Soon, you will be able to increase your lot size and start trading like the big Forex players. In fact, by using Fibo Quantum Scalper, you are already leaps and bounds ahead of the average trader who depends on gut feelings and expert recommendations. How does this indicator work with such precision? Why does it give consistent profitable signals? How can you take advantage of this opportunity and improve your trading? How much can you profit with Fibo Quantum Scalper? I'm sure you have plenty of questions popping up in your mind, and I will answer all of them. But first, let me introduce myself. To those who don't know me or aren't familiar with my work, my name is Carl Dittman, and I started trading and teaching how to trade way before most gurus out there had even heard of Forex. I am a coach and a speaker as well. I know how you feel about losing money in Forex because I used to be just like you. I almost gave up before I discovered some key tools that helped me up my game and make enough profits to sustain my livelihood and that of my family. No, I did not become a millionaire overnight, but consistent profits over a long time enabled me to amass quite a fortune in Forex and helped me lead a fulfilling life. Why am I doing this? I'm doing this for my love of Forex and the chance to change the lives of my students and their families. I don't want you to lose all your hard-earned money in blind trades. I don't want you to grope around without understanding how Forex trading actually works. Unless you learn the fundamentals of trading, learn how to position yourself and use the trading tools needed, you will lose money. I assure you. Most people who aren't trading professionally see Forex as a gambling game of sorts. Well, let me tell you something. You can find better luck buying a lottery ticket. You wouldn't lose as much money for a ticket. With breakthroughs in technology and the latest tools available to traders, almost everyone can be making successful trades if they're prudent and sensible enough. Make sure you listen to this till the end to discover how Fibo Quantum Scalper can bring consistency in your trades on the smaller time frames and quicker daily profits. Now, let's get back to how it actually works. Remember how many questions you had about how this tool can help you? Let's start. Fibo Quantum Scalper is a unique Forex indicator based on the age-old Fibonacci sequence and the golden mean. Fibo what? What is this? Forex voodoo? No magic of any kind here. To explain more about the Fibonacci sequence and the golden mean, we need to go a bit back into history. Bear with me, because it's important for your financial well-being, and that's why you're here, right? When we look at the history of the human race, we tend to notice a lot of unmissable patterns wherever we look. Man follows science. Science follows nature, and nature follows a pattern. Keen observers have taken note of this, and some of the smarter ones are making profit from the predictable nature of this pattern. Here's a famous quote for you. There are only patterns. Patterns on top of patterns. Patterns that affect other patterns. Patterns hidden by patterns. Patterns within patterns. If you watch close, history does nothing but repeat itself. Novel by Chuck Palahniuk. Survivor. Did you know that everyone from the large hedge funds to the investment banks have sizable trading teams that simply observe and make decisions based on patterns? There are numerous investors, from Marty Schwartz and Ray Dalio to Paul Tudor Jones, that depend heavily on technical analysis to run their billion-dollar funds. The price fluctuations may look extremely volatile to untrained eyes, but over periods of time, they usually follow a set pattern. Those who know this are making profit from these patterns. These people have already developed their own analysis and observation methods that have made the task much easier than it ever was. A significant pattern that investment analysts depend on to develop their funds is the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a special sequence of numbers that can be found in nature as well as in financial markets. The sequence was discovered in the 13th century by Leonardo da Pisa, who was amongst the most talented mathematicians of the Middle Age. Leonardo came to a conclusion that there was a preset series of numbers and ratios that determined the natural proportion of things in the known universe. In a Fibonacci sequence, every number is the sum of the previous two numbers. Let me illustrate the sequence. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, and so on. When taken into context of the Forex markets, Fibonacci ratios indicate powerful price levels that force the market to move in the expected direction every single time. Successful Forex traders use